Hi, Perry Power here with your latest video in the A to Z series on how to sell your property for a premium price quickly. Now today we're covering the letter B. Now before we jump in, this is probably one of the biggest questions I get asked, and in 20 years of doing this job, the answer is still the same. So let's jump in.
The industry is going through a huge change at the minute. I've tried to keep ahead of that change with Bespoke, and I think it's important that I show the people that are hesitant to change, take the plunge, it will work and it will improve the industry.
So, the letter B. Now when it comes to selling a property for a premium price, I've been handling property sales for nearly 20 years. The B stands for board, and by that I mean the for sale board that you have outside your house. Now granted, not everyone likes having them, but I'm going to cover 3 reasons why it's still in 2022 really important to have a for sale sign outside your house. So reason number 1, fundamentally, the inquiries that you receive from the for sale sign will be the highest quality inquiries that you'll receive. For one simple reason, and that's because the fundamentals with selling a property, the number 1 priority for a lot of buyers is location. And if they're already ringing you, knowing exactly where the house is, exactly what overlooks it, exactly the road it's on, you're halfway there. Reason number 2. Now, most people, granted, look for property online in 2022, but I'm absolutely sure, and I can confirm this because it's happened to me over my career, you will get inquiries, or you're likely to get inquiries from people who are not actively in the market looking every single day. So I once sold a house, this is a true story, had a call into the office, "Hi, I've seen your sign outside so-and-so. I've said to my wife, if that house ever comes on the market, we're buying it." So they weren't actively looking on Rightmove, or they hadn't set themselves up for property alerts, but they were what I would call an opportunist buyer. Now online marketing will reach 98% of the market, but there's a 2% of the market there which don't know they want the house until it slaps them in the face and they can see it on the market. Reason number 3. So this one is really important. Your for sale board isn't necessarily going to attract your buyer, but your for sale board is going to let a lot more people know your house is for sale, and it's about who those people know looking to buy in the area. So another example, real life example, had a call into the office, "Hi, can I view so-and-so house?" My reply, "Absolutely. Can I grab your address? They live up north. Can I ask where you saw the property advertised?" "Oh, a friend of mine passes that house every day on the way to their school run, and they mentioned it to me and they thought I should have a look at it." Really, really important. So your for sale board is your 24/7, 365 salesperson. And now for a bonus, number 4, forgetting the fact that it will open up the market, more people will see it, friends of friends of friends might tell you the property is available, but here's a really simple one. It makes it far easier for buyers to find your house on a busy Saturday when they're out viewing properties, which means they're less likely to be late, and they can find your house really easily. So there we go. Hope you found that helpful. If you need any advice at all, drop me or my team a message. Would love to help, and we'll see you on the next video.